This is a Matsana M4 yoga mat sanitizing machine and a brief demonstration on how to use it. Prepare your mat for insertion into the machine by rolling it snugly to allow the leading edge to hang relatively straight down without curl and to create a hollow center that will accommodate about 3 fingers. Now slide the mat onto the mat arm as shown. Press the large top button and observe that its red LED illuminates. Next, press the lower small button that has the green blinking LED to activate the rollers. Holding the mat with both hands, exert a little tension across the leading edge and insert the mat between the rollers. Once the machine engages the mat, you may move your hands to the underside of the machine to retrieve your sanitized mat and roll it up as it comes out. That's all there is to it.